Hi, so we're going to be reading our breaking news today. This is the last page on your work packet. The news today we're reading is called Libraries Are Awesome. And we'll read it, we'll go over it, answer some questions. Celebrate Awesome Libraries April 19th to the 25th. This week is National Library Week. Most cities and towns have libraries. Most libraries are closed now because of the coronavirus, but you can visit libraries online. Now, many libraries have online story times, craft lessons, and book clubs. You can borrow ebooks, audiobooks, movies, and video games. Will you celebrate National Library Week? So, just to go back, libraries are closed because of the coronavirus, but um, there's a lot of online uh, things you can look at if you have a library card. If you don't have a library card, you can still sign up for one online. So, I'll post up a few links of how to get a library card online and also how to excuse me, and also how to use some of the apps they have. So they have applications that you can download so that you can listen to audiobooks, you can watch movies, play video games, all sorts of things on your computer or your tablet or your phone. This one says, review page. What is April 19th to the 25th? Is it School Bus Safety Week, National Police Week, or National Library Week? So when you guys are reading this, this will be what was last week because this week is already over. It is National Library Week.
National Library Week.
So this is the week where we celebrate libraries. So even though they're closed, we can still access things online. Where can you visit libraries? Underwater, online, or in space? So we just talked about this. We can visit libraries. We can't go in person, but we can go online. We can use a computer, a tablet, or a phone, anything that has the internet to use,
Online.
look, to read, listen to, or play games, or read books. What can you borrow from a library? Ebooks, driver's license, or report cards? What can you borrow from the library right now, even though they're closed? An ebook.
Ebook.
Ebook means electronic books, so books that you can download directly. So, Tom, can I see that real quick? I'm just gonna show them, yeah. So, like, you can borrow books like this. This is a tablet, and then you can read the books directly in the tablet. Thank you.